Good morning, good morning, good morning, everybody. It's Salon Diva V in the place to be, and we are going to be propagating some roses. Yes, right there, that bush right there. We're going to be propagating some of those. So come on, let's go. Let's see if I can get y'all in so y'all can actually see. So let me move out the way of the other rose bush. So this stem down here is a spin-off or a new part of the rose bush. So, and I really don't like the way it's growing, so I'm going to take, if I can, if I'm strong enough, that whole portion right there, and try not to get stuck by the stickers, the thorns. So this is, pick y'all up. This is the complete portion, and look at that, y'all. Look at all those thorns on there, just crazy. Oh, and they had some babies. So we're gonna take this one and try to get out of my front garden without sticking or stepping on anything. Okay, y'all, so we have some honey, or what's left of it. I have a container pot filled with some soil, and I have my roses. So before I go any further in touching this rose bush, I'm going to put on my gloves. I need reinforcements. Hold on. The first one I'm going to do is this one right here. And I'm scared to touch them, y'all, because they have lots of thorns. So we just cut that piece right there. And I'm going to cut off the bloom that was on there. So that's what it looks like. I'm just going to take off these two bottom pieces, and I'm going to take the honey and put it around the base of, oh, y'all can't see that. I'm going to take the honey and put it around the base of the plant, the stem, like so. And then I'm going to put it in the soil. The soil is nice and moist. And I'm going to make a hole with my finger first, and then press it down about an inch deep. I'm gonna take y'all down a little bit more. So we're gonna just take and pre-make some holes first. Newer stems first, rather than getting the older stems. So this is the newest one, and I'm gonna cut the, I guess you would call that sucker off. I don't know if I'm showing y'all this. So this is the, and it has a newer one. Look at the bud right there. You see those two. And put the honey on there. Just like that, and put it in the hole. You want to push down carefully, not to stick yourself. And then we'll do this one. Press it down in there. Make sure I'm not sticking myself. Alright, y'all, so that is all of the plantings that I did today of the roses, and stay tuned for the next video, which will be starting soon, as we see if the plant has actually rooted.